This is my fine Rolex watch, a timekeeper, passed down for generations. Unlike most things, Rolex watches are practical and, as experience proves, remain valuable. You must keep it serviced so it may pay you back with continuous value and show great time. They are for people on the run, people with appointments to keep and schedules to meet. Unlike diamonds, watches break, and what breaks them is time. Experts at Kupfer Jewelry have extensive experience, knowledge, and maintain significant inventory of authentic Rolex factory parts, and most work is done in short time. Watches tell many stories. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going.